Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while since we've given you an update, but here it is. So we can just show you what we have done this week and what's coming up, so you have an idea what's going on. But before we get into that, we just wanted to thank everyone for the support. Really appreciate it. It's been great having such a supportive community behind this whole project, and so we really appreciate the support. And yes, okay, so let's get into it. We've done the floors. So this is our inventory / office room. So we've put in the flooring, and then we've put in the baseboards. They're a little bit hidden by all of this junk here now. So we've done that, and then we've also put these tables here. Like this is where we were getting creative. We put this rope up so there's no legs, so we can store stuff underneath. So we can put, I don't know, maybe like a computer here, and then this is going to be the e-commerce section, so we can package up the products that we're carrying in the store and send them off all over Canada and the US. So yeah, don't forget to check out our e-commerce site, River People Guides. Putting in the countertop for the front desk, and then we're still waiting on the fly bins. That's kind of been my biggest stressor, and getting those fly bins into the shop. And I think you can't have a fly shop without the fly bins. So those are coming in. And I believe that's all. Thanks again, and don't forget to check in once everything is ready, and before everything's ready for next week too. Okay, thank you.